Enter a world where huge machines and mistakes made by people are side by side. Watch the most dangerous times happen right in front of your eyes. From heart-stopping close calls to terrible mistakes. Think about what happens when people operate these huge tools past their limits or don't follow basic safety rules. What happens is a scary reminder of how thin the line is between chaos and control in the world of industrial processes. Come with us as we look at these shocking events that show how one careless move can turn a normal job into something that could go horribly wrong. The duty of operating heavy machinery is one that requires a high level of competence, precision, and extreme caution. In the event that these behemoths are handled in a careless manner or by persons who lack proper training, the potential for calamity is enormous. The experiences that are presented below show some of the most dangerous instances that involve heavy machinery, demonstrating the disastrous effects that can result from negligence and ineptitude during these situations. The overturned excavator. An example of poor decision-making first and foremost. When a large excavator was operating at a busy construction site, an operator with little to no expertise assumed charge of the machine. In an attempt to navigate the machine over an embankment, he made a mistake in his assessment of the terrain. The enormous weight of the machine caused the ground to give way, which resulted in the machine falling over. The driver was unable to escape the cab, and it took rescue personnel several hours to free him from this confinement within the vehicle. This incident highlights how important it is to have a thorough awareness of the circumstances of the ground as well as the constraints of the apparatus that is being operated. The forklift disaster. The dangers of overloading in the warehouse. A forklift operator made the decision to lift a cargo that was significantly heavier than the machine's capability, which resulted in a chaotic scene in the warehouse. As a result of the overloaded forklift tipping forward, pallets of products were thrown to the ground where they landed. As a result of being flung off the seat, the operator narrowly avoided suffering major injuries. This potentially hazardous situation exemplifies how vitally important it is to strictly adhere to weight restrictions and have adequate training in order to operate forklifts responsibly. The failure of the bulldozer. The operator of a bulldozer, who was attempting to clear the site of debris, disregarded warning signs that indicated a gas line was buried beneath the site. The line was punctured as a result of his irresponsible digging techniques, which led to a big explosion that fortunately only caused damage to property. In view of the fact that this incident had the potential to be lethal, it is imperative that thorough site surveys and strict attention to safety regulations be observed whenever heavy gear is being operated in potentially dangerous locations. Crane collapse. An accident that occurred when a crane collapsed on a busy thoroughfare in the middle of the city was one of the most disastrous accidents in the history of building. When the operator was under a lot of pressure to do a work as quickly as possible, they failed to properly secure the base of the crane. As a result of the crane toppling over, there was widespread destruction and significant loss of life. This terrible occurrence serves as a sobering reminder of the need of paying thorough attention to every detail and the repercussions that can result from taking shortcuts. Runaway truck. In the process of descending a steep hill, a vehicle that was carrying building materials experienced a failure of its brakes. The driver was unable to bring the truck to a stop because he was unaware that the brakes on the vehicle were malfunctioning. It careened out of control, resulting in a collision involving other vehicles. Several people were hurt, and a significant amount of property was damaged as a result of the subsequent turmoil. For the purpose of averting such catastrophes, it is essential to perform routine maintenance and inspections on heavy machinery. An accident involving an excavator caused a trench to collapse. An excavator operator who was working on a trench did not adequately secure the walls of the trench being worked on. During the course of his digging, the walls of the trench collapsed, resulting in the machine and the operator being buried beneath a substantial amount of soil. Due to the unstable ground, rescue attempts were hampered, and it took many hours to remove the operator, who luckily survived the ordeal. This occurrence emphasizes the significance of shoring up trenches and having a solid grasp of the stability of the soil. The disaster that occurred with the concrete mixer while safety was ignored. An operator of a concrete mixer, who was anxious to complete a task as quickly as possible, failed to follow the appropriate safety protocols. His failure to properly attach the drum resulted in the drum becoming dislodged from the mixer as it rotated, inflicting major damage to the site as it hurtled through the landscape. In light of this potentially hazardous situation, It is essential to strictly adhere to all safety standards, regardless of how stringent the deadlines may be. Logging truck load spill. Due to his lack of experience and excessive self-assurance, a logging truck driver failed to securely secure his load of logs. When he made a tight turn at a high speed, the logs started to pour out into the road, which resulted in the collision of multiple vehicles and a significant traffic incident. The lessons that can be learned from this disaster include the significance of using appropriate load fastening measures and the risks associated with running heavy gear at high speeds. Compactor crush. Due to the fact that the operator of the compactor was preoccupied with a phone call, they drove through a safety barrier and onto unstable terrain. The compactor sank into a concealed pit, which resulted in the operator becoming trapped inside the machine and causing serious harm to themselves. The occurrence of this catastrophe brings to light the perils of distraction as well as the crucial significance of paying attention to safety obstacles and warnings. The dangers of improper training, as demonstrated by the cherry picker accident. A worker who had not received any training and was tasked with operating a cherry picker managed to extend the boom without stabilizing the base. An accident occurred when the cherry picker tipped over, causing the worker to fall from a considerable height. It would have been possible to avoid the severe injuries he incurred if he had received the appropriate training and had adhered to the operational standards. The backhoe bungle, miscommunication on the job site. In the process of digging into a live electrical cable, a backhoe operator made a mistake in reading indications from a ground worker. Because of the subsequent electrical arc, a fire broke out, putting everyone on the premises in peril. When operating heavy gear in close proximity to subsurface lines, it is essential to have clear communication and an awareness of utility maps. This incident highlights the importance of these two factors. As a result of underestimating the winter conditions, snow plows slip and fall. An operator of a snow plow in a snowy location failed to recognize the hazardous conditions and caused an accident by driving dangerously close to the edge of a cliff. Slipping and rolling down the embankment was the result of the plow. The operator was fortunate enough to escape with only minor injuries, but the machine was a complete and utter failure. When it comes to operating heavy machinery in poor weather circumstances, this event reminds us of the importance of exercising extreme caution and showing respect for the natural forces. The predicament of concrete pump failure and the risk of mechanical faults. In spite of the fact that a mechanical problem was there, the operator of the concrete pump proceeded to use the equipment. A pipe ruptured as a result of a fault in the pump, which resulted in high-pressure concrete being sprayed all over the location. As a result of the injuries sustained by workers, the location was shut down for intensive cleaning. It is essential to do routine inspections and maintenance in order to prevent mechanical failures like these and to guarantee the safety of workers. The collapsing infrastructure contributes to the digger disaster. An operator of a digger who lacked experience and was assigned to a demolition site made an incorrect assessment of the wall's stability. Because of the collapse of the wall, the digger and its operator were buried. It took rescue personnel many hours to free him from his predicament. In light of this incident, it is essential to have a thorough grasp of the structural integrity of the site, and it is essential to have the expertise of professionals when performing demolition operations. The dangers of inadequate maintenance. Harvester havoc. The maintenance of a harvester that was utilized in agricultural operations was not performed correctly. A critical component broke while the machine was in operation, which resulted in the machine toppling over and crushing neighboring machinery. However, despite the fact that no one was hurt, the amount of money that was lost was substantial. It is vital to perform inspections and repairs on a regular basis in order to avoid incidents of this nature. Ignoring safety protocols is the cause of pile driver panic. In a hurry to make a deadline, a pile driver operator disregarded many safety regulations in order to get around them. A fault in the pile driver caused a pile to tumble, and workers underneath were only narrowly able to avoid being injured. The catastrophe that could occur as a result of disregarding safety measures is illustrated by this episode, which highlights the significance of adhering to protocols completely at all times. Incorrect terrain assessment poses a risk of skid steer slip. An operator of a skid steer who was attempting to clear snow off a sloped driveway failed to account for the slippery nature of the surface while they were working. A parked vehicle was struck by the skid steer when it lost traction and began sliding in an uncontrollable manner. It is vital to do a thorough assessment of the terrain and conditions in order to prevent mishaps of this nature and to guarantee safe operation. The loader landslide. It is important to not underestimate the forces of nature. A loader operator who was operating close to a hillside forgot to take into account the recent heavy rains that had loosened the soil from its previous state. It was during the process of him moving stuff that the hillside collapsed, resulting in a landslide that buried the loader. On the other hand, the operator was rescued without any injuries. Yet the story highlights the importance of understanding and respecting natural forces when operating heavy machinery. Mistake made by the grader. Failing to properly secure the equipment. Following the completion of a shift, the operator of a road grader failed to securely secure the machine. There was a substantial amount of damage caused when the grader rolled down a slope and crashed into a building while it was sleeping. Because of this incident, it is essential to ensure that heavy machinery is properly secured when it is not being used in order to prevent any unexpected movement or accidents from occurring. Ignoring the load balance and the tractor tumble. In the process of transporting a substantial load of hay bales, a tractor operator failed to distribute the weight in an even manner. Because of the unbalance, the tractor tipped over when it was turning a bend, which resulted in the load being spilled and the operator being injured. When it comes to carrying commodities with heavy machinery, this accident emphasizes how important it is to have a solid understanding of load balance and the appropriate means for getting them secured. Compactor collision. The dangers of reversing. A collision occurred between a compactor operator and a parked car as the operator was reversing without sufficient sight or a spotter. Significant damage was inflicted by the impact, and witnesses sustained minor injuries as a result. To prevent incidents of this nature, it is essential to employ the appropriate tactics for reversing and to make use of spotters or cameras. Scraper slide. Misjudging terrain stability. An operator of a scraper who was operating on a slope made an incorrect assessment of the stability of the terrain. A little landslide occurred as a result of the scraper sliding down the slope in an uncontrollable manner. It is fortunate that the operator did not sustain any injuries. However, the incident highlights the significance of evaluating the stability of the terrain and any potential hazards before beginning operations. The mistake that bucket trucks make is that they fail to secure the boom. Due to the fact that the operator of the bucket truck was in a hurry to complete the task, the boom was not properly secured. A potentially hazardous electrical mishap occurred as a result of the unsecured boom colliding with a power line while the truck was in motion. In light of this, it is even more important to ensure that all components are properly secured and that safety inspections are carried out before moving heavy gear. Road roller wreck. The dangers of driving at an excessive speed in the road. When the operator of a road roller was driving too swiftly on a construction site, they lost control of the equipment and it rolled over. An injury was sustained by the operator, and the machine sustained significant damage. The need of operating heavy machinery at safe speeds and respecting the limitations of the equipment is brought into sharper focus by this incident. Concrete saw slip. The dangers of distraction. While operating a concrete saw, a worker grew preoccupied and lost control of the machine inside of the device. As a result of the saw diverging from its intended path, the operator sustained a severe injury. When operating dangerous equipment, it is essential to maintain focus and attention in order to avoid mishaps of this nature. Ignoring safety zones is a problem with tree harvesters. A worker who was operating a tree harvester failed to obey safety zones because they were working too near to other workers. A neighboring worker sustained serious injuries after being struck by a tree that had fallen. In light of this tragedy, it is essential to ensure that safety zones are maintained and that there is clear communication on construction sites. There is a risk of misjudging the capability of the equipment while using a hydraulic hammer. On a construction site, a worker who was operating a hydraulic hammer made an incorrect assessment of the tool's capabilities. This extreme force caused debris to fly, which in turn injured workers who were close. To ensure safety, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the limitations of the equipment and how to use it correctly. Accident with an asphalt paver caused by neglecting maintenance. During operation, a hydraulic failure occurred in an asphalt paver that had been neglected in terms of maintenance needs. A number of workers suffered burns as a consequence of the leak of hot asphalt that occurred. For the purpose of preventing potentially hazardous occurrences and ensuring the safety of all staff, Routine maintenance and inspections are absolutely necessary. An error in mining machine operation has occurred, the failure to follow procedures. One of the workers in a mining operation disregarded the safety precautions that were in place while operating a drilling machine. Because of a fault in the machine, the mine shaft collapsed because of the collapse. It is fortunate that there were no casualties, but the incident demonstrates how critical it is to adhere to the safety measures that have been developed prior to the incident. Ignoring the guarding requirements for the rock crusher ruined. An employee who was operating a rock crusher disregarded the regulations for guarding, which resulted in loose clothing becoming caught in the mechanical device. Significant injuries were sustained by the worker. In order to avoid incidents of this nature, it is essential to make appropriate use of guarding and to adhere to safety requirements. There are inherent dangers associated with operating heavy machinery, and these dangers are multiplied by an exponential factor when operators behave irresponsibly or do not have the appropriate training. Each of the occurrences that were described above serves as a jarring reminder of the significance of strong safety measures, comprehensive training, routine maintenance, and careful operation. It is possible to drastically limit the possibility of the occurrence of such dangerous events by sticking to these principles, which will result in safer working environments for everyone concerned. Subscribe now to stay tuned for more thrilling footage and insightful analyses of the world's most dangerous moments in heavy machinery.